Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change your rear wiper blade on a 2010 Seat Ibiza, also known as the 6J model. And here we have our rear wiper arm on the Seat Ibiza, and as you can tell on this one it's very overdue, we'll say. I'm pretty sure this is probably the original one from 2010, but to remove this wiper blade, you put your thumb under here, you grab the wiper blade with your hand, place your thumb on the arm and pull it. So there you have it. There is your old wiper blade that's completely worn out, so just discard it, recycle it, throw it away, get the new one. Take out your new wiper blade and put this little locator in the center here. Just make sure before you finish it off that is the correct way around. So this is the correct way around, but if you turn it the other way around, it's actually proud of the wiper arm. So take it back out, put it the correct way around. Here we are. Put your fingers on either side of the blade armature and click it in. And there you have it. That's how you change your rear wiper blade on a 2010 Seat Ibiza, otherwise known as the 6J model. I really hope you enjoyed watching that, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share Driveway Dudes, and you can find us on the usual social media platforms too.